Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with safety and the right tool. Set the parking brake, chock the opposite wheel, and remove any hubcap so the lug nuts are visible. Once done, select the emergency lug nut remover that matches the nut profile. A poor match will slip. Position yourself so you can apply steady force, not swinging. You want control more than brute force because controlled torque separates the nut from rust without damaging the wheel studs. You now seat the remover squarely over the stuck lug nut. If it's a hammer-fit design, give a firm, centered blow so the tool bites the metal. Next, attach a breaker bar or impact wrench. Apply steady, increasing torque. Don't jerk, because gradual force lets the tool grip and shear rust bonds. If the remover slips, stop, reseat, and tap again. Keep checking alignment. Once you feel rotation begin, maintain steady turning until the nut backs off. You finish by backing the lug nut off completely and inspecting the threads and studs for damage. A damaged nut requires replacement before you reinstall. Once the wheel is on, torque to the manufacturer's spec to avoid warping. If the nut remains seized, apply penetrating oil to the base, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then repeat the remover seating and torquing steps. This loosens corrosion and prevents stud damage. Make sure to retorque after a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.